This thing will probably fall out, don't we?
Oh gosh.
If it does, watch your tail.
Yay! Uh-oh.
Oops. I think it's coming in.
Maybe you should go inside and take it out and then worry about that part.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Watch your
I
fingers.
didn't realize it come out inside like this. Hey,
Yeah.
It's got a carrying handle. Hope
Well,
it don't break. Look at there. It's like a suitcase.
that's cool.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey, a new window.
You just put a window in there and a fan.
Yep.
I do believe this is plumber's putty instead of.
Really?
Yeah. That's what it is. Which is good, you know. Not affected by the weather or nothing. It stays pliable.
I would have never thought of that.
I wouldn't either. That helps us, them not using this sticky stuff.
What they call that stuff? Butyl.
That butyl whatever. Okay, that's a pop rivet.
Do what?
It's a pop rivet. I think. Brilliant. Okay, you're right. I guess they hadn't pop rivet, somebody probably would have stole it, you know.
Well, that's true. Like our wings that are missing. Looks like there used to be a tag right there. Hopefully we can repair this. Because I do like this little door. Wow, look at that wood. That door frame's in bad shape. I guess this must be one of those marker lights. So if we clean off the marker lights, they may still work. One of the reasons it's taken us so long to do this, the first thing was Gary's dad had prostate cancer that metastasized to the bones. So Gary retired from work early to take care of him. And then our son that had just turned 18 had major spine surgery. During all this, Gary's been following up with doctors for AFib, and he had an aortic valve replacement in 2011. At that time, he had a very large aortic aneurysm as well, so they replaced that aortic root while they did the valve. And now my mom's 88, and I have to take care of her. So it's busy life. Yay, we'll take that baby in and clean him up.
Yep. I think it's time for breakfast. Yeah, we need to get all that patching stuff there.
Do you want to take off that little door catch and I can clean it while I'm cleaning this eagle?
This?
Right here.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Then we can leave these off. I'll clean them and we'll leave them off till we paint and then put them back on.
Yep. You can get you one of the little brushes and like whatever color, like gold paint or something, we can color it.
You think it's chrome underneath or?
We can find out. angle.
I got our new doorknob inside.
Oh, okay. Good. Hopefully this is brass.
That would be nice.
Mm-hmm.
I put that vintage propane light on eBay for sale.
Yeah.
So if any of our viewers is looking for a vintage propane light, it has the Purex globe on it and stuff. You can go to eBay and check out my eBay store. It's Bamboo Spine Gal. Or you can just search for vintage propane camper light and it should pop up for you. We had no idea it would take that long to get that air conditioner out, but I'm glad it's done. Thanks for watching, everyone.